Is it working out okay now?
Yeah, we're gonna get it.
Okay,
Perfect for it.
I'm just recording for just a second because we're in a lawsuit with your company over.
XPO?
Yes.
Wow.
We all got really sick from the gas leak. It was a different kind of fitting attached to the gas line. And when we tried to run the dryer, it turned on, but there was no heat. So then we turned the gas on, not knowing it was the wrong fitting. And it just filled the house with gas while we were gone. We came back and it smelled. And so we just turned the gas off at the dryer, but it's still leaking from the wall.
Yeah.
So we had to have an emergency
We're
guy
all
come.
separate
Leaking from the wall?
contractors, so.
Yeah, it was
So
there
the
was-
valve itself is leaking?
yes, the wrong fitting was attached.
Oh. Yeah, usually they just send this out with just one set of fittings and you have to try to fit it. That one even, oh, it is.
Yeah.
Just in the